I welcome to all my dear students. Let us continue our virtual classes, and now today we will discuss the E part question answer of chapter 9 fuels. And you have start E part question answer from next new page and write down the today date. Question from black gel pen and answer blue. You have used to use blue pen. First question: how have fossil fuels been formed? Fossil fuels have been formed by the decomposition of animals and plant matter buried deep under the surface of earth at high temperature and pressure prevailing there. Question number 2. When is a source of energy said to be renewable source of energy? Give two examples. A source of energy is said to be renewable source of energy when it is freely available. Second one, it can be filled up again. For example, solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy, etc. Question number 3. When a source of energy said to be a non-renewable source of energy, give two examples of such sources. Answer is, a source of energy is said to be a non-renewable source of energy when it is not freely available and it cannot be readily replaced in nature. For example, coal and petroleum. My dear students, question number 2 and 3 also asked by in the form of differentiate, means differentiate between renewable and non-renewable source of energy, and your answer is same. Question number 4. How is coal used by powerhouses for generating electricity? First one, a powerhouse burns coal to convert water into steam. Second one, this steam energy is used to operate turbine, which in turn help to generate electricity. You have also write down here in 5 points that we have already discussed in our e-lecture. Question number 5. Why should effort need to be made to reduce the use of fossil fuels? The effort should need to be made to reduce the use of fossil fuels because fossil fuels are available in limited quantity, and second one, they are also a major cause of environmental pollution. These are the E part question answer. Now next is extra question answer. Extra question answer you have start writing from a next new page. You have take new page and start writing, and heading is extra question answer. First question, define fuel. A fuel is a substance that produces energy on burning is called fuel. For example, coal, petrol, etc. Write full form of LPG, PNG, CNG and ATF. LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. CNG, compressed natural gas. PNG, pipe natural gas, and ATF is aviation turbine fuels. Question number 3. Write any 3 uses of fuels. Fuels is used for cooking, for generating electricity, for running various machines, for movement of train, automobiles and aeroplane, etc. These are the extra question answer of this chapter, and our chapter is finished. You have revised whole chapter. Thank you so much and take care.